Hello, my friends. Well, the day has arrived. Time to pick a winner for this cloud pour that I said I would give away to someone who was willing to pay for shipping. All you had to do to be eligible was leave a comment with the word me, and that was it. So I decided also I would do a quick pour to go along with this giveaway, and I'm going to give that painting away as well, same terms. So I'm going to pick two names. Now, if the second name is not interested in today's pour, that's perfectly fine. I understand, and no hurt feelings. So, not to worry. But let's get going. Let's pick a couple of names here. The first name for this cloud pour, the winner is Delee, me. Cool color palette, Chris. I love how colorful this is. The only embellishment comes to mind. Oh, there's one of my cats. Hello. Slinky. That's Slinky. She's very odd looking. She was abused as a kitten, not by me, and we rescued her. She didn't even look like a cat. So, but she's come a long way. She's just the most sweet cat ever. Okay. Delee is commenting on the video I did where I announced the giveaway. That was a swipe I did recently. So anyway, congratulations, Delee. I'm thrilled for you. I have your address and your mail and your email, so I'll contact you. Okay, now we're going to pick another winner for today's pour, and again, you know, if you watch it and you're not interested in it, I'm perfectly fine with that. But if you are, the winner is Delee again. Well, that's not right. That's funny that would pick the same name twice in a row. Pick another winner. I've got to be fair about this. Pick two people. And the winner is Kelly Smith. Pretty, almost watercolorish. I have an idea for embellishment. Older lady, 70s, fluid art. Yeah, paint. Yeah, that's funny. We have talked together about that. But Kelly did not say me, and I certainly get it. I understand that. So I'm going to pick another winner. And the winner of today's painting is Debbie. Chrissy, I love the way you broke up the colors, got the swipe. It is very beautiful. But Debbie didn't say me, and it's perfectly fine. There's any number of reasons why you are not interested in it. Colors are wrong. You live out of the country. Patty cake. Me. That's cute. Okay, well, Patty cake, you are the winner of today's painting if you so choose. Just email me at crissypaints@yahoo.com. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching this, and let's get to today's video. Hello, my friends. Please excuse the mess here. I wanted to put together a quick video to go along with the first part of my my giveaway that I just did. So I thought I would use Ready Mixed Pour Paints by Artist Loft. But I didn't have any white, so I used Deco Art Ready to Pour. And these two do not play well together. Do not try that at home. The white breaks down and does something really strange. You can see it maybe you can see it in the drippings down here. At any rate, I did not like the way it looked, so I scraped it off, and I'm going to go again, but this time I'm going to use silver as my light color because that's all I have. And I'm just going to use black, cerulean blue, and silver. Let's see what I get. So, here we go. I'm going to pour it down the side because I kind of want, I don't want them to mix together too much. And I'll speed this up because I'm just going to repeat those same 3 colors. Okay, let's see what we get. The silver never looks that pretty at this stage when it's wet, but when it dries, of course, the metallic properties of it come through and really enhance what you got going. And see how they blend as they sit in the cup. So you have to pour kind of quickly with this. I think I should do some ribbons, don't you? Here we go. Oh, that's a mess right in the middle. Dope. And that's pretty, and that's going to get tilted off. Oh well, maybe I can I go over that with this? I don't know. Try to disguise that ugly part there, but let's tilt this around, see what happens. I really like these paints, but I'm not buying any more, so I have to work with what I have. I have a whole playlist, if any of you are new to my channel, on these paints. Sometimes I will extend them with a glue and Floetrol mix to get different effects, and I like that a lot. Well, maybe I'll add this one to the giveaway as well. Make it a little more exciting if you want. So I'll draw a second name. And if you're interested, you can contact me. But my feelings won't be hurt if you don't want this one. Okay. All right, well, that's kind of interesting. What have I got left in the cup? I think for fun, I'm going to add some more silver to the cup and do some skinny lines as well without tilting. So I'll just drizzle in a little more of that. And here we go. One more. I know it looks like a lot. It is a lot, but that's what I like to do. And there we go. Ring and ribbon. It pretty much dry as you're seeing it. It won't move too much. That's an interesting one there, isn't it? Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. And the two winners, if you will email me at chrissypaints@yahoo.com, we'll talk about these two paintings. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.